This is part of a development of the city of Mansfield together with the FC Dallas. And Fabritecture was engaged for the design, engineering, manufacturing and installation of these canopies. There's a west canopy, there's an east canopy. But before we have been engaged for construction, we had been the design assist partner to the architect, Perkins&Will. I've been helping the architect to basically reconfigure the structure. So initially it was a louver system, and we worked out a very light fabric system. And part of this was also to dive into sustainability facts. So we did a carbon footprint analysis. And part of this analysis, we worked out that the carbon footprint of the fabric system is much lower than compared to other traditional construction materials. What we see here is a structure consisting out of this side 9 bays. Each bay is about 38 feet wide, 73 feet long. And the fabric we use here is a product of Ferrari called TX30. This product has a very good resistance to any type of radiation, and therefore an ideal product for this environment. We can say this fabric lasts at least for 35 years plus.